Hello, my name is Joe Green and I'm a solutions architect at Data Networks. My focus is on the data center. Modern IT these days is an art. It is the art of managing complexity. Data is growing faster than it ever has. We have wired more intelligent devices to our networks and we're using the information they generate to help us make more and more decisions. All this results in even more data and even more data about that data. With all of the capabilities, power, performance, and flexibility provided by the cornucopia of IT solutions, it is easy to lose oneself amidst this raging ocean of IT complexity. Well, when dealing with an ocean, it helps to have a map and a compass, a strategy that can provide an overall guidance for making strategic decisions. To that end, we're going to start with the end in mind. We're going to discuss the first major point on our compass, our Northern Star, digital transformation. So what is digital transformation? The concept is not simple, but in short, it is an investment strategy across all planes of IT, compute, networking, storage, security, and management. It is the idea that the right IT investments can drive returns of such significant time savings, money savings, bigger data value, more capability, better insight, that the investments more than pay for themselves. New technology investments, if done properly, are geographically and exponentially more valuable than maintaining existing investments. The common model for digital transformation is a circular process wherein the different institutional and organizational or business improvement initiatives all flow into each other. A cyclone of workforce transformation that leads to and requires more and more comprehensive security and management transformation, which in turn leads to more comprehensive and more efficient operations, IT transformation, which leads back to digital transformation. But since I started by declaring digital transformation as a destination, as an evolutionary goal, let's assess where we are and determine what our next steps are going to be. So we start off by deploying new investments. And that helps us actually gather more and create more data and analysis, which leads to new insights. And that leads to better decision making, development of new process and process improvements, which allows us to then make even better investments. The goal of digital transformation is being able to get much more value out of time and money spent, to get more value out of the data that you have, to make that data more valuable. And that's digital transformation in a nutshell. Thank you.